CoverGirl is cruelty free? What? Hey guys, it's Jenna Trains. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I have a big announcement. Actually, it's a really late announcement, but I figure probably a lot of people do not know this. CoverGirl released a statement, or however you want to say, they joined the Leaping Bunny movement. So now they are cruelty free as of November 2018, like 2 months ago. So I'm a little late, but I wanted to make sure that it was like a real thing. So it is officially, you know, as of a couple months ago, CoverGirl, which is, from what I read, the biggest makeup brand. Like, it's big, okay? So for them to take that step is a really, really amazing step in the right direction, which would also hope lead to some other drugstore brands or more affordable brands to go in that same direction as well. So this could just be the first step of many to creating and making all of these other brands cruelty-free as well. With that being said, I am doing a full face of CoverGirl today. So once I found that out, as of a couple of weeks ago, I finally decided to take the leap, and I went out and I bought a whole bunch of CoverGirl makeup. I have not worn CoverGirl since years, okay? It's been years. Even since before I went cruelty free. So, and if you didn't know, I have been practicing cruelty free and not buying and purchasing makeup brands and things that I know that are not cruelty free, and really getting into it. If you haven't seen those videos, they are on my channel. I kind of go in depth about what exactly happens, and it's just not good stuff. So I decided to not support the bad stuff. But anyways, we're gonna get right into it. I just want to try out CoverGirl because I haven't tried it in so long. So let me show you what I got, okay? I got the CoverGirl, of course CoverGirl. It says True Naked Jewels. And it's just, this is the eyeshadow palette I got because you know me, I like bright colors. And one of the things that I really liked about CoverGirl that I haven't seen a lot of other brands do is they tell you on the back of it, they actually will tell you like how to do a specific eye look with the palette. So I think that is a really cool feature, the thing that they do. The next thing that I did get is a CoverGirl, this is Cheekers in Rose Silk. So I got a blush. And then I got, now I do not, I'm sure you know this, I don't wear foundation. I like to have it if I feel like going all out, but I did get this to try. I feel like this might be a little bit of a better option than like the actual liquid stuff. But this is Outlast All Day Ultimate Finish 3-in-1. I'm not sure why it's 3 things in one, but it's 3-in-1. It's a foundation, and I got ivory. I really don't know what I'm doing when it comes to picking out colors, so I'll try that. And then I got the why do I keep seeing CoverGirl? You don't know I'm talking about CoverGirl. The powder, translucent powder. I'm actually running out of the one that I have from BH Cosmetics, so I'm gonna try that. And I got their mascara. This is the, I guess apparently Katy Perry collaborated with CoverGirl, which I did not know about. But this is the waterproof mascara in Very Black. And this is what the one looks like. This is like her collaboration with them thing. And then I also got another item that was a Katy Perry collab on clearance for $5. I think it's cool when you find, you know, clearance things. This is lipstick in the shade Sphinx. So I think that's neat with the cat ears on it. So we'll try that, and let's just get right into it. As you can see, I did already start my eyes, well, kind of my eyebrows, and yeah. So I'm excited to try this out. Now I just opened up this, oh, look at that. What kind of contraption is this? Is this like a lid? How do you close? Something's not right here. This has got, oh, okay. It comes out. It has a mirror on it. And then I'm assuming that this is the lid somehow. Interesting. Oh, and then it closes like that. Alright. But anyways, let's try it out. I'm even going to use the little sponge that came with it. And before starting that, I did actually use a primer by Hard Candy. I don't know anything about primer, so I don't know what I'm doing. I just see people doing it. Sheer Envy Perfecting Primer. That's what I got. Back to the foundation. Alright, so I think that the color is usable, but I'm realizing that I feel like I need something darker. I just hate looking like a pale ghost, which is why I did get the powder. I got that in a translucent medium is the shade to hopefully darken that up. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that on and set it. Alright, so far the foundation works well, although the color's not right for me. The coverage is good. This powder, it has like a weird smell to it. I do like the darker color for me, but it just has a weird smell. I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and do lips just so I'm not so like bleached out looking. So this again is the Sphinx color with the Katy Perry collection. Alright, there you go. It does have a weird smell. It's almost like an expired kind of smell, weirdness to it. I don't know about that. Maybe that's why it was on clearance. That's gross. Alright. It's like I taste it. It's so gross. Alright, so next I'm going to start with eyes. It does come with this little applicator. Like, I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. But I have my brushes, so I'm gonna use that. But for this look, I'm gonna go with, let's go with the blue. I feel like I've been doing purples a lot lately, so we'll go with something a little different. Alright, I can already tell you that the pigment is just not what I was hoping for. I'm gonna go ahead and wet my brush and see if that helps with the pigment, but I can tell you this just kind of takes me back to good old drugstore days before I started using the good stuff. Alright, so the wetting the brush does seem to help with the pigment, so maybe that's the trick. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. Alright, so that is the trick with these eyeshadows. You have to have a wet brush in order to get the pigment to come through, that I'm noticing anyway. Now that I look like Mimi from the Drew Carey Show, let's continue. Next, I'm going to take the black color and just put it on the outer corner to darken it up. We're just going to do a dark, smoky eye kind of look. I am going to go ahead with my blendy brush and blend this out because I'm looking a little crazy right now. Alright, and I did go back and reiterate that after I blended it out because that does tend to go away after you do the blendies. So next I'm going to take this little sponge brush because I didn't bring a lot of brushes in here in my little area. So I'm just going to take my little spongy one and we're going to go into that light shimmery color, and I'm going to do that for my brow bone. And then also I'm going to take my flat brush for my lower lids and do the blue underneath as well. Actually, let's do this. Let's do the purple. I'm going to do the purple underneath, so I'm going to do that and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I am back. My eyes are done. This wasn't really meant to be like a tutorial type thing. I'm just kind of doing a look with this palette in an effort to try it out and really get a good idea of how it works, and to give you guys an idea if CoverGirl is going to be worth it. But so far, I will say the colors are beautiful in this eyeshadow palette. They are just really, really pretty colors. So overall, this palette is good. You just have to have a wet brush to actually use it. The last thing to finish off my look for today, I'm not doing wings like I normally do, but I am going to use this mascara that I got. So we're gonna try this out. What in the world? This is so weird. Okay. You can't, I don't know if you can see that, but the bristles are like twisted. It's like in a twisty pattern. They're not covering the entire brush. It's just twisted. So that, it's supposed to be 10 times more volume. So let's see how this looks. Alright, so the mascara is on. And I'm impressed. I will say that, I don't know, I like it. The brush was a little weird to work with, and we'll see how the waterproofness works throughout the day. So we'll really try it out. Actually, I do have one more product. I forgot all about the blush, so I'm gonna just put that on real quick. This again is in the Rose Silk, and this does come with a little, one of these weird little brush things, a little miniature brush, I guess, for travel purposes if you wanted to try that. Let's see how well this works. Wow, that is a beautiful color. I love this. That is beautiful. I love this color. This blush is so good. Definitely recommend that. That might be my new favorite blush. That's awesome. The only other thing I did not get was a highlighter. I actually did look for one. I didn't see any CoverGirl highlighters in the store, so I'm assuming they do make them. I just didn't see them where I was at. So my overall opinion of CoverGirl, I would say it's good stuff. It's gonna get my stamp of approval. So I definitely like it. I will buy it again. It's so nice to be able to go into the store and know that that's an option, to not just have to walk past all this stuff, because most of the products in these drugstores or even Walmart or wherever are not cruelty free. So it really is limiting when you're trying to purchase stuff in store and not have to order online. But it's nice to have this as an option. So it is so awesome that they decided to go cruelty free, and I just hope that other brands follow suit. So if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Go out to the store and get your own CoverGirl today, because why not? Alrighty, so subscribe for more awesome videos, and I will see you on my next one. Okay, bye.